joining this call. So today we are going to talk about this opportunity called EmpiresX. EmpiresX is a private-ended hedge fund. When I started this company back in February this year. This company has been around for 1 year. I joined in February. I didn't talk to anybody about this opportunity until June, because I need to make sure that when I bring somebody into this company, that I'm confident about the company to promote it. So finally, when they decided to make this MLM, make this company a multi-level marketing company, I decided I'm going to share this opportunity with other people, because I have been earning money like crazy with this opportunity. So like Alicia said, these guys are so transparent, like, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, they are always, updating people about what's going on with the company, not only the good things, bad things as well. So that was the reason why I thought, okay, I'm going to run with this company, because we have seen companies come and go in the past. But most companies, when it comes to transparency, they don't actually show you exactly how they make money. But this company, they do show you how they make money, which is really important when you actually promote something like this to your friends and family. So this company based in Miami, Florida, guys. In February, when I first joined this company, I actually sent a couple of my friends to go meet the owners and do some due diligence, because in the beginning, they actually did show us proof over Zoom. Obviously, I live in Australia, so I can't verify things from my where I'm located from. But I sent a couple of my friends to go with a couple of traders who are trading in the Nasdaq market. They came back and told me that this company is real, that these guys are actually generating money with this artificial intelligence software that they got. So that's when I decided I'm going to go hard with this company. So MS Empires is the CEO of this company. He has a marketing master's degree, and then gentleman on the right-hand side is Mr. Flavio Gonzalez, who has 2 master's degrees, one in business systems engineering, the other one is in artificial intelligence software. Now, these guys didn't pop out of nowhere. These guys have been around the block for a while. They have multiple companies. Even though this is their first multi-level marketing company, they had a company called Technology to You, who used to provide products and services to other multi-level marketing companies. They used to list their coins in exchanges, create blockchains, create e-commerce systems for those companies. So they know exactly how to run a multi-level marketing company, because they have this experience. Plus, not only that, in 2017, these two decided that they want to create something that they can actually generate money without helping other MLMs. So they decided to invest into other companies. The goal was to multiply the money, how to multiply money. So they started investing into other companies, didn't see good results. These two guys are good crypto traders, started trading in the crypto market, but didn't make consistent profit. Started creating artificial intelligence software to trade in the crypto market and the Forex market. Didn't do well. So finally, in 2020, they met another gentleman called Joshua David Nicholas, who's a head trader, who has won multiple awards from Barclays Hedge. Barclays Hedge is a association or a company that gives awards to people who are performing well in the trading department. So this guy has won multiple awards in 2019. He's a part of our company. He came into the picture and decided with these two gentlemen, rather than trading in the crypto market or the Forex market, the best way to move forward is the Nasdaq market. The reason why is the Nasdaq market is less volatile compared to the Forex market and the crypto market. So these guys got together, created a hybrid bot, which trades in the Nasdaq market, which is called the XBot that we are using today. So in order to become part of this company, you can either become an investor or an affiliate. If you want to become an investor, you have to pay a $400 annual fee. If you want to become an affiliate, you need to pay $200 annual fee. So without these subscriptions, you can't participate in this company, because this is not an investment platform. Okay, these guys do sell a product. the product is this artificial intelligence software. Now, if you want to become an affiliate, like I said, you pay the $200, and then you can bring more distributors or affiliates or investors into the company. But if you decide to become an investor, you can only bring investors in. You can't bring affiliates. So the difference between the investor and the affiliate is investors, they get paid up to 1% a day. Affiliates only get paid 0.6% a day. So the minimum investment into this company is $500, guys. Whether you are an affiliate or an investor, after you purchase your license, whether it's the $400 bot or the $200 bot, you need to invest $500 minimum to activate your account and start earning and start building a team. For example, let's say you are an affiliate. You brought in another affiliate. When that affiliate comes and purchase a $200 license, what the company will do is, company will pay you 5% upfront from the sales. Company pays 19% of the bot sales to the first 9 levels in our Unilever system. We have a 20-level Unilever plan. So from the bot sales, whether you sell a $400 bot or a $200 bot, you will get 5% fast start bonus from the sales. So if you bring an investor with $400, you're going to make $20, which is 5%. If you bring an affiliate with a $200 bot, you're going to make $10, which is 5%. So the company pays 19% from the bot sales for the first 9 levels in the Unilever system. Second level pays 4%, third level 3%, fourth level 2%, fifth till the 9th level 1% each, guys. So this is the first way of making money with this opportunity, from the sales of the bots. The second way of making money in this opportunity is the passive income. Passive income that you make from your own money. Like I said, investors make 1% a day. Okay, so if somebody invests $500, they are going to make $5 every single day. If you are an affiliate, if you invest $500, you only make $3 a day, because affiliates only get paid 0.6% a day. Now, the reason behind that is, in a lot of companies in the past, the non-team builders or the investors always complain the affiliates are the only ones who are making tons of money. So because of that, just to level the playing field, the company decided they are going to pay an extra 0.4% to the investors or the non-team builders. Now, we have a thing called credits, guys. Credits is something that we need to pay upfront to the company apart from our investment. We have to pay this upfront because credit is something like fuel. You have to put fuel into a car in order for the car to work. Same thing here. If you do not have credits in your account, you won't be able to run the bot, which means you are not going to earn your daily passive income. So whatever the company pays you every single day, let's say, for example, you have invested $1,000, you are making 1% a day, which is $10. When you are making $10, guys, company charges you 20% from the credits. It's for profit sharing, right? Company actually provides you with a service, and when they provide you with that service, they need to charge you something. So they are not supposed to charge that or touch our profits and take the percentage out of our profits. That's where the credit comes into play. So you need to pay upfront these credits in order to keep earning. So whatever you make every single day, the company pays you 1%, but 20% will be deducted from the credits. So if you join now, the company will give you 1 month of free credits. After 30 days, you are going to run out of credits, which means you have to either do a withdrawal from your daily earnings and top it up, or you have to put more money from your external wallet into credit so you can keep on earning. Again, it's a 80-20 split. They pay you 1%, but they don't take the 0.2% out of your earnings. It comes out of credits. So you have to prepay credits in order to be part of this company. What I suggest to people is, if somebody is coming in with $1,000, if their goal is to invest $1,000, they should invest $800 into the bot and keep $200 aside for credits, guys. That's what you need to do. So that's how the credits work. Now, we have a rule for initial deposits. Now, in the beginning, guys, we didn't have this rule. In the beginning, when we fund our account, when we create our account and fund our account straight away, what they do is they create a sub account in their brokerage account and they allocate their own money so we can start earning from the very first day, right? In other words, they were like giving us a loan. Now this company is trying to be compliant. This company is trying to list their business in the New York Stock Exchange. This company is trying to register their business as a hedge fund with the SEC. So SEC has asked them to change the business model because if they are giving a loan, it's like a security. So these guys are not selling security. So because of that, they decided once you do your initial investment, you will not earn until the first 5 days because it takes at least 5 business days to convert our crypto into fiat and from fiat to move it to their brokerage account. So for the first 5 days, guys, if you join in this company and invest, if you don't see any daily earnings, don't worry. After 5 business days, you will start earning your daily earnings. So that's a new thing that they implemented a couple of weeks ago, which makes complete sense. Now, if you become an affiliate in this company, in your back office, you will see these 2 links with your username on it. Invest with for investors or non-team builders, and network with for affiliates or distributors. So if somebody comes and say, look, I'm not going to build a team, I just want to become an investor, you give them this link. If somebody says, I want to become a distributor, build a network and make money, you give them your network with link. Now, the third way of making money from this opportunity, the first way is from the bot sales. You make 19% from the bot sales from the first level till the 9th level in the Unilever system. Then the second way of making money is the passive income that you make from your own money. The third way of making money is when, as an affiliate, when you bring somebody in and when they deposit funds into their bots, you are going to make a fast start bonus. Company pays 10% fast start bonuses to the first 6 levels in the Unilever system. So if you bring somebody with $10,000 in this example, you are going to make $500 as a fast start bonus. Now this $500, this 10% doesn't come out of the investor's investment. Most companies in the crypto space, what they do is when somebody invests, they take a chunk of the investor's money and pay the uplines. Here, these fast start bonuses are paid from the company's pocket. So if you bring somebody as an investor, if they invest $10,000 into their bot, you are going to make $500 as a fast start bonus, guys. And whoever's above you will make 1% each because the company pays 10% to the first 6 levels. You make 5% and whoever's above you, those 5 people will make 1% each, which means $100 each. So that's the third way of making money. The fast start bonuses that you will make from the deposits of your downlines. One second, more people are joining. Fourth way of making money, which is the most powerful in the compensation plan, is the residual income, guys. So if somebody invests $10,000 into this opportunity or into their artificial intelligence software, they will make 1% a day. Company will actually pay 1.2% to the investor and the affiliates. 1% goes to the investor, which is $100 from $10,000. For a $10,000 investment, 1% is $100. And another 0.2% will be divided between 20 levels. So any given day, the company doesn't pay more than 1.2% to the investor and the affiliates, guys. 1% goes into the investor, 0.2% will be divided between 20 levels. First level, you will make 12%, which means $2.40. Example, let's say I join Alicia as an investor. I put $10,000. She's going to make $500 fast start bonus straight away. And when I make $100 every single day, company will take $20 and divide between 20 levels. I'm Alicia's first level, which means she's gonna make 12% of $20, which is $2.40. Second level pays you 7%, which is $1.40. third level 6%, $1.20. Fourth till the 10th level 5% each, which is $1, and 11th level till the 20th 4% each, which is 80 cents, guys. Every single day. Every single day, you will make money when your downlines are actually generating profits through their bots. So the next category that we have in this company are the affiliates. Okay. Now the earlier example was for investors. If you bring an investor in, only 0.2% of their earnings will be divided between 20 levels. Okay. But the investors make 1%. But affiliates, like I told you in the beginning, they only make 0.6% a day, which is $60. If somebody invests $10,000, they're only making $60 from their own money. The reason why is affiliates can actually build a team and make more commission. That's why the company decided we are only going to pay you 0.6%. So when the affiliate, as an investor, when the affiliate makes 0.6%, which is $60, company will take another $60 and they will divide that between the 20 levels, guys. Okay. Again, if you add these two together, you will see 1.2%. Again, company doesn't pay more than 1.2% any given day to the investors and the network marketing structure. So this $60 will be divided between 20 levels. First level, 12%. You are going to make $7.20. Second level, 7%. Sorry, 7%, $4.20. Look at the difference, guys. Same investment from an investor, you are making the same percentage on your first level, but you're only making $2.40. But from an affiliate, same investment, same percentage that you're earning from their earnings, but you're going to make $7.20 instead of $2.40. So you're better off having a network of affiliates than investors. That way, you're going to make tons of commission with this opportunity. Again, the percentages are the same. Second 7, third 6, 4th till the 10th 5% each, 11th till the 20th 4% each. That's how the commissions are divided. Again, we help people to make money. When they make money, we make a percentage from their earnings every single day, guys. Okay. Now, take a look at a binary compensation plan. Binary compensation plans, guys, you need to build 2 legs. If you are lucky, your upline will build 1 leg for you. You will have a power leg. But then you still have to build a weaker leg in order to make commission every single day. Let's say you stop building and your team stop building. That means your commissions will end there. You're not going to make any commission until you bring new people into the weaker leg. Same with the matrices. Unless you build, you're not making any commission. Here, let's say after a while, you decided you're not going to build. Let's say you have a handful of people. For those handful of people that you have brought in, you're going to make commission every single day, which is why this is powerful, because whether you build or not, with the people that you have in your network, you are going to make commission every single day, 365 days a year. So this is the 4th way of making money. We have another category called private investors. Private investors are people who can invest more than $300,000, not $1 million anymore. They have changed the contract. People who can invest more than $300,000 can sign a contract with the company, do a wire transfer to their bank account and become a private investor. Private investors, their money will be traded by the traders only 5 days a week. And sometimes they make more than 1% a day. I know because I have a private investment account with these guys. I do make over 30% a month with the private investment plan. If you bring a private investor into the company, the compensation plan is the same, 10% fast start bonuses, and then the commission for the residual income will be 0.2% of whatever the private investor makes every single day. Network marketing qualification, which is really important. I'm sure most of you guys have been in the crypto network marketing space for a while. So do some comparisons, okay? Compare this with the other things that you have done. Then you will understand why this is so powerful. Now, in order to earn from the first 3 levels of our 20-level Unilever system, guys, you need to have a minimum of $500 in your own account, and you need to bring 1 person who has the same. That way, you're going to earn from the first 3 levels. First 3 levels, guys, pays 12%, 7%, and 6% of whatever your downlines are earning every single day. If you want to earn from the first 6 levels, you need to bring 2 directs and you need to have a minimum of $1,000 in your own account. If you want to earn from the first 10 levels, $1,500 in your account and 3 directs. 4 directs and $2,000 will let you earn from 14 levels. 16 levels, $3,000, 5 directs, like that. If you want to earn from the whole 20 levels, you need to have 7 directs with a minimum of $500 and $5,000 in your own account. Now, I have been part of so many companies in the past. In order to maximize from the compensation plan, they will at least ask you to invest $100,000. There are packages in certain companies. You need to buy the highest package in order to maximize from the compensation plan. These guys allow you to max out the comp plan with $5,000. You won't believe me when I tell you I made over $4 million just from a $5,000 investment, right? If it was a different company, it would have been possible. So these guys with a small investment let you make money from the whole compensation plan, which gives them more credibility, because if they were after money, they would have asked you to invest more. Because in network marketing companies, guys, more than investors, there are affiliate marketers, right? So if the company gets the affiliate marketers to invest big money, then they would make tons of money. They don't do that. They ask you to only have $5,000 in your affiliate account. So that's how you open up all your 20 levels. We have a couple of changes for withdrawals, and I'll explain to you exactly why that these guys have changed the plans. Now, in the beginning, we have a 30-day rule where if you withdraw within the first 30 days, the company will charge you 20% penalty. Here, now they have implemented a 3-month rule, okay? Within the first month, if you withdraw, there's a 40% penalty. Within the first 60 days, which means if you try to withdraw your capital within the first 60 days, after the first 30 days, they'll hit you with a 20% penalty. And after 60 days and 90 days, between 60 and 90, there will be a 10% fee. Now, after the first 30 guys, let's say you are here for 2 months. If you withdraw your capital after 2 months, you will be in profits, because if you stay here for 2 months, you're going to make 60% profit. And even if they hit you with a 20% penalty, you will be 40% in profit. Third month, you will have 90%. 10% penalty is not going to hurt you because you will have 80% in profit. So this rule is not a huge issue for investors, because all of you, I'm sure, are here for a long run. Okay. So the reason why these guys implemented this was, every time we invest funds into the system generates fast start bonuses and the career bonuses, which I will explain to you in the next slide. So people in this opportunity who have been around in this opportunity for the past 4 months, what they did was, I know this because I know I had few people who manipulated the system to generate more profits from the company. So people used to withdraw their capital after the first 30 days for a 0.5 withdrawal fee after 30 days and put that money back in. As soon as they put the money back in, the company pays them, or the system pays them the 10% fast start bonuses as well. So these guys have stacked their accounts and kept withdrawing every 30 days and started putting their money back in, generating them 10% fast start bonus. Not only that, every time they withdraw, if they were a ranked member, the rank was demoted because they pulled out the money. And as soon as they put the money back in, they are going to hit the same rank again, which was generating them more bonuses. So the company was paying at least 60% of commission plus 30% earnings for the same amount of money for the past 4 months for a handful of people. So the company decided, for people who are trying to manipulate the system, they are going to come up with this rule. So when you have a penalty like this, they are not going to pull out the money for at least 3 months. So that's the reason why they implemented this 3-month rule, guys. Not because they want to keep your money with them, because if you want to withdraw, you can pull it out on the second month, still you will be in profit. So that's a 30-month rule. So after that's a 3-month rule. So after the third month, they'll allow you to withdraw your capital out, and then you can test it out to see whether you can withdraw it or not. Okay, then you can put that money back in. When you put that money back in, they are going to still pay you that 10% fast start bonus for the same money again. It doesn't matter because you have kept your money within the company for 3 months. Then they will allow you to withdraw the capital for the second time, just in case if you have an emergency. And they will allow you to put that money back in. Now you have withdrawn and put that money back in twice, which will generate you more commissions. But for the third time, if you try to withdraw, company will ask you to withdraw the entire amount and the company will close your account. Okay. So third time, if you are withdrawing your capital, guys, that means you are up to no good. That means if you are withdrawing every month your initial investment and putting that back in, which means you are trying to collect that 10% fast start bonus. So that because of that, the company will ask you to take your whole money out and close your account. And then if you want to be part of the company again, you have to create a new account and put that money back in, which means your 3-month rule will start from the beginning. So that's the 3-month rule. Okay. That's how the withdrawals will work for your capital. Now, if you want to withdraw your capital, they allow you to withdraw your capital on Fridays. Any Friday you can withdraw it, and within 5 business days, they will give you your initial capital. If you want to withdraw your commissions, you can do that every week. Within 5 business days, they will process your commissions. Your daily earnings, however, will be only allowed to withdraw first Monday of each month. Now I'll explain to you guys why that they have done this. Number one, these guys were a hedge fund in the beginning. When I joined the company in February, we only had like 300 to 400 people. And most of the people were actually compounding without withdrawing. These guys use Coinbase as their wallet provider. I'm sure you guys have noticed whenever you do an investment, Coinbase sends you an email, right? So these guys use Coinbase. Every time in Coinbase, when you try to send funds from one wallet to another, you have to put your 2FA, two-factor authenticator, or you have to confirm your email. Now imagine doing that for 40,000 people every week. That's why it's very hard to process 40,000 withdrawals every week. So they decided instead of processing 40,000 withdrawals every week, they have to divide the daily earnings and the commissions and then pay out separately. Investors, obviously, they are here to make money for the long run. Most of them compound. Most of them want to withdraw their earnings once a month. They are not here to withdraw every week. So because of that, they decided, they spoke to the leaders and they decided once a month daily earnings will be processed. Commissions, obviously, network marketers, they want to get their commissions straight away. So every Friday, the commissions will be paid out. That's going to help them with the stress, guys, because they don't have to process 40,000 withdrawals. Plus, the company is growing like crazy every single day. 1,000, 2,000 people are joining, which means they have to process more withdrawals every week. This is just a temporary solution. They are coming up with their own payment gateway. So in the near future, we will see a smooth operation in the company because we are going to have a new back office and an app as well. Okay, so withdrawal process, again, to recap, daily earnings will be they only allow you to withdraw your daily earnings on a Monday, first Monday of each month. Capital withdrawal, there's a 3-month rule. First month 40, second month 20, third month 10%. Commissions can be withdrawn anytime. Capital can be withdrawn anytime. When I say anytime, only on Fridays. That means they will process it within 5 business days. Compound, guys. You can only compound your daily earnings twice a month, which is the 1st of the month and the 15th of the month. They have only done that to make the system sustainable. You know, I rather make money for the next 5 to 10 years than for the next 6 months. So whatever the company does, they are only doing this to make it sustainable and to make it compliant. So I hope you guys understand that. But after the call, if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask me. So we have a career plan. Okay, career plan, again, the company pays a bonus for people who are actually putting the work in and bringing in the volume to a company. Any company, you take a traditional business or a traditional network marketing company, even for insurance companies, guys, if you do sales, the company will compensate you. Like that, here in this company, they will compensate you nicely. Because if you have $16,000 worth of volume within your first 20 levels, they will pay you $150, or you can take this nano ledger. 48,000 gives you a $400 bonus or a watch. $64,000 volume gives you a $1,000 bonus or an iPad. Alicia decided to go with the iPad because I think she doesn't have iPad.
Yeah, right.
$480,000 worth of volume gives you a $5,000 bonus or a travel voucher. 1.6 million gives you $15,000 bonus or a Rolex watch. Now, this is where this gets crazy. Because when you have $3.2 million, you get your first car, guys, right? I mean, you can get a car or they give you a $35,000 bonus. If you have $11 million, this is a $100,000 bonus. By the time you hit this rank, you have already made 150,000 USD. And this was the last one that I won, the Ruby X, 16 million volume. They give you a $300,000 bonus. So you make $450,000 worth of bonuses just by hitting this rank. Not only that, for this 16 million, I make residual income every single day. Obviously, I have more than $16 million. It took me a while to balance 4 legs because there's a rule. Minimum volume per team should be 40%, which means, let's say I have 30 million under me in my team, but I only need 16 million to hit this rank, right? But from any team, they do not calculate more than 40% towards the bonus, which means I have a leg with over $20 million, right? But from that $20 million, they only calculate 40% of 16 million. So even though I have 2 big legs, they only calculate 40% from both of those legs. And then the other 20% was combined from the other teams. So you need to balance your legs as well. You can't stack your, if you want to hit these ranks, you can't stack one leg and have a big team in one leg. You need to spread your team and balance it out so you can hit these ranks, because these ranks, guys, will help you immensely. So once you have $48 million underneath you, they give you $1 million bonus. $1 million bonus. I haven't heard of a company who gives you $1 million bonus. These guys gives you $1 million bonus, and here they gives you $5 million or a Bugatti car if you get to $80 million. I heard in the new presentation, if you do $320 million, it's going to be a $20 million bonus, which is crazy, guys. So that's the compensation plan. But I want to show you how you can actually take advantage of this opportunity and make tons of money. Now, I give this demonstration to everybody because people ask me, how did I make this kind of money in such a short time? So this is the blueprint, right? Like I told you guys, the goal behind this demonstration is to show you how to make $100,000 a month. It can be done. It's pretty easy. So the minimum that you need to invest into this company is $500. And then in order to open 20 levels, there was a minimum requirement of bringing 7 people into your first level, 7 directs. So if you can find 7 people who can invest $500 each, okay? If you can, that's the first step. Finding 7 people who can bring, who can invest $500, that's the first step, right? So if you bring 7 people, they are going to make $3 every single day from their investment. When they make $3, you are going to make 12% from their earnings, which is 36 cents, not a huge amount. From 7 people, you are going to make $2.52 every single day guaranteed, right? It's not a big amount, but that's money that you will make every single day just from the 7 people who has invested $500 each. Now imagine if you teach them to bring 7 more. If you get them to bring 7 each, just like how you brought 7 people each, your second level becomes 49 eventually, right? And then Those 7, if those 7 teach these 49 to bring 7 each, your third level becomes 343. Fourth level becomes 2,400. And the fifth level becomes 16,000 people, right? I'm not asking you to bring 16,000 people yourself. You're only bringing 7 people who wants to make a difference in their life, okay? If you bring 7 people who can bring 7 people each, who can invest $500, guys, you will end up making $2,955 a day, okay? Now we have a 20-level Unilever system. I'm only showing you the possibility from the first 5 levels. Some people might bring more than 7 people. Some people might invest more than $500. Because like I told you, in order to maximize, you need to have $5,000 in your own account. So that case, you are not going to end up making $2,900. This could be $4,000, $5,000. Let's say $5,000 a day into 30 is how much? That's $150,000 a month, guys. Easy 6 figures if you can bring 7 people who can bring 7 people each. And we teach the same formula to everybody, and eventually when you fill out your first 5 levels, out of the 20-level Unilever system, you're going to make... Mute yourself, guys. I don't have to keep telling you this every single day. So easy, 100K a month with 7 people. Now, eventually, everybody decides to upgrade to the $5,000 slot because they want to maximize from the compensation plan. Look at the possibility, guys. $30,000 a day just from the 5 levels. Okay, $30,000 a day into 30 is how much? That's $900,000 a month. And if somebody says that this is not possible, I can show you my back office. It's possible. This is exactly what I did. I found 7 people who wanted to make a difference in their life. They went to work, brought in 7. They taught them the same thing. Eventually, I filled out my first 5 levels, started making 6 to 7 figures a month easily. And there's 20 levels. I have already opened up 20 levels. Not everybody has come up with $5,000. Everybody starting with the ground floor, which is $500. But eventually, when people upgrade, my earnings from 7 figures, it will go to 8 figures a month easily. The possibility is there. I'm sure all of you know 7 people. You guys have Facebook. You guys use social media. I'm sure you guys have more than 5,000 friends in your social media, at least 1,000 friends. So you will be able to easily convince 7 people to join this opportunity with you who wants to make a difference. And then eventually you'll start making residual income like this. So this is the power of networking, but I want to show you the power of compounding. They say compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. Now, in this example, I'm putting $2,000 as an example. We get paid 1% a day, even though we pay 0.2% or 20% of our earnings through credits. Company still pays you 1% a day. Okay, they don't touch our profits. They don't take the credits out of our earnings. We have to top it up separately. But when they pay 1% every single day, guys, let's compound this for 2 months, 2 years. We get to compound bi-weekly, every 2 weeks. Let's see how much you can make from $2,000. You're going to end up making $1.8 million minus the 20%. Get rid of $180,000. You will still end up making somewhere around $1.6 million easily just by compounding $2,000. I mean, even a doctor won't earn $1.8 million in 2 years, guys. Even if you buy lotto every single day for the next 24 months, you won't earn this much money. But by compounding a small amount of money, you will be able to earn $1.8 million here in this opportunity. But look at this. Your $2,000 investment will become $4,697.40 in 3 months. In 3 months, you have doubled your money. Okay? Now, what do you do after 3 months? If you want, you can compound it after 3 months. If not, you can withdraw your initial capital out. After 3 months, you will take your initial capital out and then you can play with house money, right? Let's say you do that. Okay, you withdraw your 2,000 but left $2,647. Is it? Let's say 2,640. How much is it? 697. Okay. 2,697. You withdrew your initial capital out after 3 months. There's no penalty, 0.5% after 3 months. But now you have $2,697 in your account. Let's compound this for 2 more years, which means in total 27 months, because after the first 3 months you withdrew your capital out, then ran it again for 24 more months. You will end up having $2.4 million, guys. $2.4 million in 27 months for a $2,000 investment. After 3 months, you were already in safety. You played with the house money and made $2.4 million. Now let's minus 20% from here. You're going to still end up making over $2 million easily with this opportunity. Okay. That's the potential this company has. Even without a team, you can multiply your money and make more money from it. Look, some people in my organization, there are a few people who have given up work and doing this full time without even building a team. They said they wanted to earn $10,000 a month to survive, to pay their rent or whatever. $10,000 a month was their goal. In order to make $10,000 a month with this opportunity, guys, all you need to do is make $340 a day. So if the company is paying 1% a day, which means they only need about $35,000 to make $340 a day. So let's say after 3 months, you withdrew your money and compounded with $2,697. In order to get $34,000, you need to compound it for 9 more months. Okay. So after 12 months, you have withdrawn your capital out, and then you will have $34,000 in your own account. Okay. $34,000 will generate you $340 a day, which means $10,000 a month. So every month, after the first 12 months, every month you will be able to withdraw $10,000 from this opportunity and make a living without compounding and trying to make $1 million. After 34 months, after 9 months, when you have 34,000, you can easily withdraw $10,000 every single day in this opportunity. So that's the power behind the compounding, guys. So the last question that people ask me is, how is this all possible? How can they consistently give us 1% a day? Which I'm going to show you right now, because if you participate in this opportunity, you should definitely come and join us on a Thursday when the company does their corporate call, guys. Okay. This is one of my accounts. Already have made $646,000. This account may be 2.5, 3 months old. You can create multiple accounts in this opportunity. $47,000 to withdraw just this week. So this is the bot that we purchased. I'm going to give you a small demonstration on how this all works and how they are managed to pay us up to 1% every single day. So during the working hours, guys, these guys do trade on the Nasdaq market. They only trade in the big, we call them the big tech stocks, Tesla, Apple, Samsung, all these big companies. And then after hours and weekends, they trade on the binary options market. So I'm going to run the bot. Like I said, as an affiliate, you only need to have $5,000 in your own account. You do not have to have more than that. If you are earning more money from the $5,000, you can withdraw once a month and reinvest it to your investor's account, which will make you 1% a day. We can talk about strategy later. But as you can see, we are trading with $5,000, but the trades that they are doing are micro trades. Instead of trading with $100 or $50 or $5,000 a trade, they are trading with 50 cents, okay? Because of risk management. So the first trade was a losing trade. We do have losing trades, guys, but we do not have losing days, and I'll explain to you why. We use a strategy called the martingale strategy. Martingale strategy is a proven strategy, guys. Any trader will tell you. What martingale strategy means is every time we lose a trade, we multiply that trade by 2.7% until we actually win a trade. Good example, 50 cents lost, multiplied by 2.7%, placed another trade for $1.35. That was a loss. Now we have already lost $1.85. So they multiplied $1.35 from 2.7% and placed another trade for $3.65. That was a losing trade as well. Now we have nearly lost $5.50. Okay. And then they multiplied $3.65 by 2.7%, placed another trade for $9.86. We won $7.19. When we won that $7.19, we recovered the $5 that we lost from these three trades and won $2.19 on top of that. So this is how we have been successfully winning every single day, because it trades until they win, and every time we win, we make profits. As you can see, we have done 16 trades within the minute that we started this bot. $13 win, $8 loss, $5.70 is the profit and losses. So this will continue to run until it hits its quota, which is 0.6% for the affiliate account, which is $30. Until this account makes $30, this bot is going to continue to run. It might take 10 minutes, it might take 1 hour, sometimes it might take 2 hours, depending on how successful the trades are. Now, even though this is the artificial intelligence software, guys, this is a hybrid bot. The humans have to input data into this bot. That's where our head trader Josh comes into play with his other traders. We have other 7 traders who's working in the company. They analyzes the market and they input market data every morning, because the bot cannot go watch TV and hear what the news has to say. They can't read a paper, right? So all these market information has to be inputted by the traders themselves. So they do that every morning. That's why we have a winning combination, because we have a good algorithm that goes and trades exactly what the traders are telling them to do. This bot is actually mirroring what the traders are doing as well. So when the traders actually input data, the bot knows exactly what to buy, when to buy. Okay, what stocks to buy and when to buy it and sell it. So that's why we have a winning combination. As you can see, 30 trades have done, we have only made $8.89, right? So we do have losing trades, but we do not have losing days because of this reason. Because if you look at a Nasdaq market, guys, if you go to a candle chart of Tesla stocks, narrow the candle chart into a 1-minute candle chart, narrow it down to a 1-minute candle chart and see how often does the Tesla stock fluctuate within that minute. That's the reason why these guys chose the big tech indexes or the Nasdaq market to trade, because the Nasdaq market doesn't fluctuate compared to the Forex market and the stock market. Okay, so even if you narrow it down and have a look, you will see normally it doesn't fluctuate at all. Worst case scenario, 3-4 times within a minute. It might go from green to red and red to green 3-4 times a minute. Okay, now this bot does at least 15 trades within a minute. Let's say for argument's sake 10 trades, okay, within a minute. So if the market fluctuates 4 or 5 times that within that minute, we are only losing 5 trades, maximum 6 trades. But we do more than 10 trades within that minute, which means we win 4 trades within that minute. Even if we lose 9 trades within that minute, guys, we only need to win 1 trade within that minute, so we can recover everything that we lost and win on top of the losses. As you can see, now we are going on a good streak. Look, win every single day. This is not going to be the same every minute. It changes. So the bot has programmed to not to do more than 5 losing trades in a row. As soon as it does 5 losing trades, I haven't seen 5 losing trades. As soon as it does 4 losing trades, it will stop there for a couple of seconds, and then they will completely change the strategy and go buy a different stock. So that's how we have been winning. A lot of companies have approached EmpiresX and asked for this technology, which they are refusing to give them because this is their proprietary software, which is making them money when they are sleeping, when we are sleeping. So that's why, guys, we have been consistently making money with this company. This company, again, is 1 year old. They have a proven track record of paying 1% a day, doing the right thing by the investors for the past 365 days, right? This is not a company that you are joining with blind faith. These guys have a proven track record. These guys are from your backyard. These guys are from Miami, Florida. Owners are American citizens. These guys have transparency. You guys come to a Zoom call on a Thursday, you will see, because each trade that we do through this bot, these are live trades that is happening in our back office right now. Okay. Every trade leaves a reference number. What they do is on a Thursday night call, they will ask a random person on the Zoom call to run the bot, and they will ask them to give one of these reference numbers. And what they do is on the live call, they will log into their brokerage account and search for this reference number in their back office and show you the exact reference number, the amount that the bot has been trading, whether it's a losing trade or a winning trade, guys. So these things, it's very hard to fake on a live Zoom call. Like I told you in February, my friends actually went there and verified these things even before we started promoting this in June. So that's why I believe we have a solid company here who has, who's showing like proper transparency compared to other companies. These guys have raised the bar when it comes to transparency compared to other companies, because most companies, they show you a screenshot or a live feed, but they don't explain to you exactly what's happening, how it's happening, and whether they are generating profits or not. This company will show you on Thursdays how much exactly people have withdrawn so far, how much people have invested, and exactly how much they have asset under management. Every week you will see, guys, when they do a call, the volume that they are managing is going up. Not only that, when they ask a random person on the call to run the bot, right? When the bot is running, they will refresh their brokerage account and show you even the volume of the account goes up on the live call. That's how confident these guys are. Right now, we are managing over $160 million in 1 year. They had this MLM for over 4 months now. When they started the MLM, they only had about $30 million asset under management. In the past 4 months, they have gathered over $130 million. Not only from the investments, they have actually multiplied the money, because people have only invested over $80 million. People have withdrawn over $90 million, and they still have over $160 million under management. So that's why I believe that we are with a good company, with good owners who have good transparency. As you can see, guys, can you still see it? Losing, and then we win, right? So it's not all sunshine and rainbows every single day in this, this trading bot. We do lose trades, but eventually we will make that 1% or 0.6% every single day. So yeah, guys, that's the presentation. If you have any questions, the floor is yours.